Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So in today's video, we're going to go over how to say hello world in Python. So first of all, you're going to want to open up your coding environment of choice. I'm using Visual Studio Code here, and I've got a folder open here that we're going to put this code in. So start by making a new file. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it hello, and then make sure that it ends in py, so it's a Python extension. And then in order to print hello world out to the screen, it's actually just as easy as that. We use the print built-in function that Python has, and then you put whatever you'd like to print in quotation marks, so it's a string. So that's how you do it, and let's get it running. So you can open a new terminal. Once we get that up, it's got to think about it for a second. We can run our code by just typing Python and then the file name. So ours would be hello.py. And boom, there you have it, hello world. Alrighty, have a good one, guys.